In this lecture, I will show you how to use the presenter view and still have your text visible while you are presenting. Okay, we have the slide ready, but we still would need some text to present it the proper way, since we do not want many papers lying in front of us so people don't know that we are reading from cards actually. PowerPoint is giving us an opportunity to add notes and use them while we are presenting. Let me head back to the previous slide, take any text from it, I simply copy it, I go to my slide and I add the copied text to my notes. I can also expand the notes by adding bullet points or anything I would like to have in here. Let me start presenting now. I press Shift and F5 to start from this slide. And when I move my mouse towards the bottom, you see on the left side some options here. What I recommend you, and while you present on a big screen, for example, take your laptop, present on your laptop, and simply press Show Presenter View. Presenter View is an amazing tool to present, which PowerPoint 2013 introduced, and as you see, people on the second monitor will see this slide, and I have full control of what I do here. On the left side, I see the time. On the right side, I see all my notes I've written previously. Here will the next animation appear, so I know what's incoming, what I need to prepare for, and also you can, for example, zoom in on the slide, go back, make the presentation simply more engaging, more interactive. You can also use the pen tool. You know, knowledge and all the rest are merging together and as a whole are creating the information. I hope this was meaningful and easy to understand. So this is all I prepared to this lesson, and I wanted to especially show you how PowerPoint is now outplaying the problem of not using text on the presentation. As you see, you simply do not need text, and the viewer will always appreciate a visual design. I hope this was very useful. I want to bring you as much innovation and as much information as I can with this course. Please do not get me wrong here. You can of course use as much text as you would like on the presentation, but when there is not the necessity, try to use as little text as possible. Just remember about the presenter view and make your presentations more engaging by using it. See you in the next lesson, and remember about this possibility.